everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CrackZat Turning Problems into Solutions. This is me Priyasha Das and this is the second concept video on PNC जिसमें मैं बताने वाली हूँ how to efficiently use the formulas. Now before I tell you how to efficiently use the formulas, you need to know the basic formulas, right? And I think those who have studied maths in standard 10 or standard 12 would be very much aware of this formula already, या फिर जिन्होंने थोड़ी भी preparation की होगी कैट या किसी और एग्जाम के लिए पहले, you must be knowing this thing very easily, right? So oh my god, if I'm writing n like this, my n and r will not be differentiated. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, I'll write a r in a different way. Okay, let's write r like this. Let me just make a correction over here. All right, so this is the r, this is the n, and this is the formula for NCR. C कब use करते थे हम लोग C? If you remember, if you don't remember, check out the part 1 of my video. This is the permutation combination part 2. Now please check out the part 1. You can check out the description box or you can also check the I button at the top. First visit that क्योंकि वो जानना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, and then come down to this video to understand how to use the formulas effectively to reduce the time. Now second formula is NPR and the formula states n factorial by n minus r factorial only. तो difference क्या है देख पा रहे हो आप लोग clearly that there is an extra r factorial in the denominator of NCR. Now let's take let's try to figure out the answer using this technique, okay, like using this formula, and I'll tell you what's the other efficient way of doing it as well. So over here, if I say, let's take a smaller number, let's take 5C2, okay. So if I'll be taking 5C2, I can write it as 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial, that is 3 factorial, and into 2 factorial. So if I classify it further, it's 5, you know how to write a factorial, it's 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1, and 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. So if I just cancel out the terms out here, you can see that 3 to 1 gone, 3 to 1 gone. And now I'm just left with 5 into 4 and 2 into 1. And this is the shortcut which I'm going to tell you right now. But उससे पहले समझिए कि हम C क्यों ले रहे हैं. In my previous video I told you that only selection means combination. तो जब भी हमें सिर्फ सिलेक्ट करना है और हमें ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता whether the order is changing or not, like if I change the order A B and B A, अगर इससे हमें क्वेश्चन में फर्क नहीं पड़ता है then we'll go with combination. But if it makes a difference in the question's answer, then we will go with permutation. तो यहाँ पर we know why we are using C. But how to use the formula efficiently? For using the formula efficiently, we need to just keep in our mind कि इतना लंबा process करने की जगह take the number n and open it only 2 times the number of times in the bottom. यानी कि अगर 5C2 लिखा है, then in my numerator I need to open 5 only 2 times, and numerator में जो भी है denominator में जो भी आएगा that would just be the factorial of 2, that is 2 into 1. यानी कि ऊपर वाली नंबर को हमें सिर्फ उतनी बार ही ओपन करना है जो नंबर हमें बॉटम में मिल रही है C की. Like 5C2 can be simply written as 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. I'll just quickly take another example and I'll tell you. So let me just scroll down and show you another example. Let's take a longer example this time to understand if it works or not. So the longer example can be 10C, let's say 4. So 10C4 in shortcut or in the smaller form to do it faster can be written as 10 opened 4 times, like 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. बस हमें यहीं रुक जाना है. हमें 10 की फैक्टोरियल को सिर्फ 4 टाइम्स ओपन करना है क्योंकि 4 हमारी बॉटम नंबर है और हमें डिनोमिनेटर में 4 का ही फैक्टोरियल ले लेना है. So this will be the shortcut of using the 10C4 formula. और ये बहुत efficient है, बहुत छोटी सी वीडियो लग रही होगी एंड यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग दैट ये हमें कैसे हेल्पफुल होगी एग्जाम्स में, बट ज़ैट में ये काफी डिफरेंस रखती है, क्योंकि जो भी सेक्शन आपका थोड़ा सा भी वीक है, इफ यू फील that a certain section is like taking a lot of time for you, please give it a lot of time, man. Don't hesitate in giving it a lot of time. But अगर आपको लगता है कि using these formulas you can just save yourself 2 to 3 minutes at least, then it will really make a difference. Okay, now if this is the way how we use 10c4, and what is the actual way of using 10c4? 10 factorial, which will be written as 10 into 9 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is very lengthy. And then we will be dividing it with 10 minus 4 factorial, that is 6 factorial. So अगर मैं 6 factorial से इसे divide करूँगी, then I'll be getting this, and then I have to multiply 4 factorial also. My goodness, who's gonna do all this? I know this part and this part will get cancelled out, so ultimately हमें वही मिल रहा है जो हमने shortcut में लिया था, right? So this is how we efficiently use the formula of 10c4. Now let's go back and see how can we use the formula of permutation effectively. Permutation की formula बोलती है n factorial by n minus r factorial only. Now, when we have this formula, what do you think we should do? Let's take an example and let's see what's happening. N factorial by n minus r factorial. So let me just scroll down and give you another example of 5p3. Okay, so if I take 5p3 as per the formula, n is 5, so I'll write 5 factorial divided by n minus r factorial, which is 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. Now, how will I write it in the expanded format? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 factorial, which is 2 into 1. Now, if I cancel out the terms, I'll just cancel out 2 into 1, 2 into 1, and I'll be left with 5 into 4 into 3. Can you guess the shortcut? I think you have already guessed the shortcut. So shortcut ये है कि the number which is there at the bottom, you are basically going to open up the n only that many times. That means अगर नीचे 3 है और ऊपर 5, तो हम 5 के फैक्टोरियल को सिर्फ 3 टाइम्स ओपन करेंगे. That means 5 into 4 into 3. That's all. That is my permutation value. एंड समझिए कि परमिटेशन हम कब यूज कर रहे हैं. परमिटेशन हम तब यूज कर रहे हैं जब हमें सिलेक्ट भी करना है एंड अरेंज भी करना है. व्हेन द ऑर्डर मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, लाइक if I take AB and if I take BA, दोनों दो different cases हो जाएंगे, then we will be considering permutation. It means 5 things. Now please understand the basics. अभी नहीं तो आगे चल के जरूर काम आएगा आपको. 5 things in 3 places. This is what we are going to understand by the meaning of 5p3. 5 things in 3 places. And when I know 5 things in 3 places, and of course when no information is given about repetition or not repetition, then we will consider not repetition. So 5 into 4 into 3 का मतलब आप समझ रहे हैं? For example, I have three columns. Now I have 5 options to fill in the first column, but एक बार एक इस first column में fill हो गया, then I cannot add the same thing in the second column. तो second column के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ 4 options भर गए. अब already 2 options occupied हैं, तो मेरे third column के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ 3 options हैं. And this is the real meaning of 5p3, and this is the shortcut of using the formula. So 5p3 है, तो open the 5 only 3 times. That is how you would be doing it. And the last and the smaller concept over here, the relation between C and P. So if you know the relation between C and P, you must have seen that NPR is equals to NCR into R factorial. याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you are with me, please don't remember it, understand it. It means that this is what? This is selection plus arrangement. What is this? This is selection. What is this? This is arrangement. So basically, when we are just selecting, for example, let's take a simple example and clarify this formula. अगर मैं एक simple example लेती हूँ 5 5p3 का ही, then try to understand 5p3 means I am selecting three items, or no, I am selecting 3 items out of 5 items, and I am actually arranging them in a order where there is a difference between AB and BC. तो सबसे पहले हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे जिसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता। तो अगर मेरे पास 5 एलिमेंट्स है, उसमें से मुझे 3 एलिमेंट्स सिलेक्ट करने हैं, तो आई कैन राइट इट एज 5c3, जहां पर ऑर्डर डजंट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, जहां पर ऑर्डर डजंट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, चाहे आप ए बी लिखो या बी ए लिखो। And then I am going to arrange these 3 factorial things। यानी कि पहले तो मैंने आउट ऑफ 5, 1 2 3 4 5, मैंने किन्हीं 3 को ले लिया, सिलेक्ट कर लिया। अब सिलेक्ट करने के बाद फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज 1 2 3 4 5, तो मैंने 3 4 5 को सिलेक्ट कर लिया, बट दैट इज नॉट द अल्टीमेट थिंग, दैट इज ओनली सी। अब मुझे देखना है कि मैं इस 3 4 5 को कितने वेज में अरेंज कर सकती हूँ। आई कैन अरेंज इट एज 3 4 5, I can arrange it as 3 5 4, I can arrange it as 4 3 5, 4 5 3, 5 4 3, 5 3 4, I can arrange it in 6 different ways। And what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6 only। So इसका मतलब मैंने 3 चीजों को सिलेक्ट कर लिया, and after that I am arranging them in different ways to finally get my answer of permutation। So permutation is selection plus arrangement, and if you break down this formula, it will be really helpful to solve the very complex questions on PNC, because when it becomes complex, they try to break the formula and ask you to use half of the formula। So if you understand this concept, then you would be able to definitely crack out the difficult and very complex questions on PNC as well। So this was the part 2. Don't forget to check out the part 1 and the upcoming parts also on the PNC core concepts. There is another core concept which I'm going to take up on add, and or, and also on the repetition, which will be really crucial for solving the questions। So of course, if you like this video, please like this video, share it with your friends, because it should reach more people now। And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and yes, stay tuned with this channel, because I'll be up with more videos every day। And until we meet again, please take care, and thanks for watching।